Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's quickly learn how we can add a clickable link to an email in a WordPress website. Now we are in the Click and Capture Studio website. So in this particular website, right on the footer in the contact page, we do have the email where we have displayed. Now when I click on this particular email, it is just a text and it is not a clickable link. Now the client requirement is when someone clicks on this particular email, it have to take them to the mail page where they can directly send the email to studioclickandcapture@gmail.com. And this is the requirement and we can fulfill the requirement in less than 1 minute of time. Now the very first thing that we have to do is to click on the WordPress. It will take us to the WordPress admin page, and here we have to click on appearance, and then we have to choose the option Elementor header and footer builder. And now in this page we are making the change to the footer, so let me select footer and then let me click on edit, and then we have to click on edit with Elementor on this page. And this will take us to the page where we can make changes to all of these elements which are located on the footer. Now as per the client requirement, we have to make the email studioclickandcapture@gmail.com clickable. So we have to click on edit and it opens the panel in the left side, and here we have to choose the email studioclickandcapture@gmail.com, and in place of link all we have to do is to paste mail to these two dots. Right after that we have to take the copy of the email and then we have to paste it, so that it will change the email studioclickandcapture@gmail.com to a clickable link. So always remember that we have to use this particular term right before the email. Now once it is done, we have to click on publish. Now the changes has been made to the mail. I want to quickly open a new tab and I want to navigate to clickandcapturestudio.com. And once the website is open, all we have to do is to scroll down till the bottom of the website. And now we have to give a try to click on the studioclickandcapture@gmail.com. As you can see, it is a clickable link now. So let me click on studioclickandcapture@gmail.com. It opens email app where I can send an email directly to the studioclickandcapture@gmail.com directly. Since I do not have an email account yet using this particular app, I was not landed on the Gmail app. Alright, if anybody have an account in the Gmail, or maybe if anybody uses the same clickable link on their phone, they will be landing directly on the email page where they can send an email to studioclickandcapture@gmail.com. So it is so simple. If you really find my videos helpful, please continue watching all my videos where I'll cover most of the digital marketing topics in a very simple way, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.